Hello, and welcome to this zTPFGI demonstration. In this demo, we'll look at some of the features of the zTPFGI editor, where you can view, edit, and debug your source code. To open a file for editing, simply double-click it in one of the Files windows or in the Projects window. You'll notice when you look in the editor that the code is color formatted. For example, in this C++ file, variables are blue and comments are green. And this assembler file has different colors for macros and instructions and for comments. The syntax highlighting makes it easier to spot typographical errors in the code. For example, if we edit this macro, it's no longer recognized as being a macro and it loses its color. If we fix it, the color is restored. As you can see by comparing these files, syntax highlighting can be different for different file types. Here's a make file that clearly differentiates between comments and code. What's more, the syntax highlighting for each file type is customizable. You can close a file simply by clicking the X on its tab. If you hover your mouse over a file's tab, that file's full path is displayed. This is useful if you have more than one file open at the same time, but residing on different paths. The zTPFGI editor includes the same editing features as any good text editor. Examples of this include the ability to copy or cut and paste sections of code. As an example, let's copy this section of code, then paste it directly below. An example of a more advanced feature that is common to most text editors is the ability to find and/or replace regions of text. As an example, let's open the Find Text dialog by clicking the Find button on the Home tab of the ribbon menu. Now, we just enter the search term and specify any other required search parameters. If we click Search All, the editor will find all occurrences of that search term in the document and will list them in the Find Compare tab of the Output window. If we double-click one of the entries, it will take us to that instance of the search term. The editor also allows you to customize your environment via the Page Layout tab in the ribbon menu. For example, you can decide whether or not to show the ruler and line numbers. And you can customize column guides, tab stops, block indents, and other such features. We've taken a look at some of the many standard editor features, but the zTPFGI editor also includes features that are especially useful when coding. One such feature is the ability to expand and collapse regions of code. You can do a full collapse by selecting Full Collapse from the Outline drop-down menu on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then, if you mouse over a collapsed section, a tooltip appears that shows the contents of that region. If you need to, you can then expand particular regions of interest. If you'd like to expand all your code, simply select Full Expand from the Outline menu. Then, you can select specific regions to collapse if you need to. Another useful feature is the ability to comment and uncomment text at the click of a button. To comment out a region of code, we just need to select the text in question, then click the comment button. To uncomment, just select the comment and again click the comment button. Another useful feature when navigating code is the ability to set bookmarks. Simply put your cursor on the line where you want your bookmark and click the Bookmark button on the Home tab of the ribbon menu. If the line was not already bookmarked, it will be. Let's just clear out the search results so that you can see the bookmarks more clearly. If you've set several bookmarks throughout your code, you can navigate between bookmarks by clicking on the Previous Bookmark and Next Bookmark buttons. To remove a bookmark, simply place the cursor on the line with the bookmark and click the Bookmark button again. You can remove all bookmarks at once by clicking the Remove All Bookmarks button. If you're using column guides, another useful feature is the ability to select text within the bounds of the column guides. To be able to do this, click on Select Columns from the Select menu in the Home tab. You can then cut, copy, paste, or otherwise treat the selection in the same ways that you would normally be able to. The zTPFGI editor also includes language help when you mouse over key language terms, and IBM's online help is but a button click away. These are just some of the useful features that are contained within the zTPFGI editor. What's more, zTPFGI includes automated backups and a comparison tool for comparing different versions to make rolling back or merging code easier. To find out more about file comparison and backups, please watch the File Compare demo. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the zTPFGI editor. To find out more, please watch some of our other demos that are available, take a look at our brochure, or contact us for further information.